I've set up my YouTube channel, but I don't have any subscribers. How can I grow my channel? How can I get from 0 to 1,000?
Keep watching to see our top tips for growing your subscriber count from 0 to 1,000. And, in turn, help you to increase your watch time. Education Hub presents Online Learning. There are so many tips and ways that you can grow your channel if you are new to YouTube. Here are our top tips that have helped us, and is still helping us to grow and promote our content on YouTube. To see more, keep watching. Tip number 1. You could repost a teaser to your Instagram or Facebook stories for approximately 15 seconds. However, don't give too much away. You want people to watch your content. Give people a little preview to entice them to watch your video. Keep it simple and remember to select the highlights so that people can sample your content. Tip number 2. Tip number 2. This is an Instagram tip. Using Instagram stories is another strategy that you could use to grow your channel, as there are some many creative functions that you could use on this platform. The feature I'm going to share with you is the copy and paste feature. This is where you copy and paste a photo from your photo feed, and add it straight onto your Instagram stories. Follow these simple steps to create this. Tip number 3. Promote your channel on your social media. Remember to share your content with your current followers on Facebook and Instagram, or on both. This will help you to build your new community on YouTube. You will need to make sure that your content is engaging and relevant to your followers so that they subscribe to your channel and watch your videos. There is no point in having disengaged subscribers. This will not increase your watch time. Watch time is much more important than subscribers. When your watch time increases, YouTube will recommend your content to more people, which will, if the content is relevant, gain your lots of new subscribers. Tip number 4. So what is your focus? What is your channel about? What will it offer your viewers? Is it for teachers? Is it a home decor channel? This will need to be very clear. You can make this very clear to your audience in your video intros or your channel banner. You can create any video within a particular focus or theme. For example, if your channel is for new teachers, you could create videos on best apps for teachers, affordable outfits for teachers at school, how to create your own teaching resources. This will help your followers and community to stay engaged and active on your channel. Always think about what value you can offer your viewers when you are creating your content. Tip number 5. Your content is the most important thing in your channel, along with your delivery, to help your audience to stay engaged. Watch some of your favorite YouTubers' creative styles, and look at their editing to get ideas. Be creative, this will help your viewers to stay engaged and in turn increase your watch time. Tip number 6. And last but by not least, be patient. It will take time to grow your audience and community. YouTube is a fantastic hobby. It's a brilliant resource for promoting and showcasing your videos. Focus on your content and creativity, along with these tips, and you will go from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in no time. Remember to be consistent when posting your videos and try to post at least once a week. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.